Particularly for those who are just starting off, we are going to delve into a topic that may be lingering in the back of your mind. Robinhood users. How exactly do you get your money out? We are all familiar with the excitement that comes with making your first successful transaction and the sensation of building your portfolio. However, what happens if you need some of that cash back in your possession, whether it be for a purchase in the real world or just to have some peace of mind? Fear not, Robinhood warriors. Withdrawing your hard-earned cash is a breeze, and in this video, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step on both the mobile app and the website. Now, before we jump in, a quick heads up. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, Robinhood doesn't allow instant withdrawals for funds obtained by selling stock. You'll need to wait for the settlement period, which is usually 2 business days. This is standard practice with most brokerages, so no worries there. Second, Robinhood has daily withdrawal limits. These limits can vary depending on your account and transfer history, but you'll be able to see them clearly before confirming any withdrawal. Alright, with that housekeeping out of the way, let's get down to business. Transferring cash from Robinhood to your bank account, mobile app. Alright, so you've got the Robinhood app fired up. The first thing you want to do is navigate to your cash tab. This is where you'll see your current buying power, which includes both settled funds and unsettled funds from recent trades. Now, tap the transfer button. This will bring up a menu with a few options. Look for the option that says transfer to your bank. Here, you'll see a list of any bank accounts you've previously linked to your Robinhood account. If your bank isn't on the list, no problem. You can tap Add Bank and follow the prompts to link your desired account. Once you've selected the bank account you want to transfer the money to, it's time to enter the amount. Remember, this amount has to be within your daily withdrawal limit. Double-check everything looks good, the amount, the bank account, then tap Review. Here, you'll see a summary of your transfer, including any estimated fees, which for standard transfers to linked accounts should be 0. If everything looks good, tap Transfer to initiate the withdrawal. Transferring cash from Robinhood to your bank account, website. The process on the Robinhood website is very similar. Here's how it goes. Head over to the Robinhood website and log into your account. Navigate to the Account tab, which you'll usually find in the top right corner. From the Account drop-down menu, select Banking. Here, you'll see a section for transfers. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and choose the bank account you want to transfer it to from the drop-down menu. Just like on the app, double-check everything and then click Review. Review the transfer details, and if everything's correct, click Transfer to initiate the withdrawal. And that's it. The money will be on its way to your bank account within a few business days, depending on your bank's processing time. Bonus tip. If you need the cash a little faster, Robinhood does offer an instant deposit option for some linked bank accounts. However, this feature usually comes with a small fee, so be sure to check the fee amount before using it. Remember, there are other ways to get money out of Robinhood, like using a debit card to withdraw small amounts at ATMs. However, these methods often come with additional fees, so it's usually best to stick with standard bank transfers for larger withdrawals. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more Robinhood tips and tricks. Until next time, happy trading.